So hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to read some ban appeals for Discord. I have created some form of Discord and sent it to various emails, and I see two of them have responded. So let's get started. So let's read what it says. Firstly, if you believe that your ban was unjust or you did not deserve it, please appeal here. You will be emailed if the appeal reviewer has further inquiries, or if your appeal has been accepted, you will receive no emails if your appeal has been rejected. So it is just a ban appeal form of Discord. So let's go or scroll down to see all the responses. So firstly, let's tap on the response option available on top there. So now let's scroll down and see. So you can see two emails available there who had responded this. So first question is, do you want to get banned from Discord? And two responses as in 100% is no. So two of them does not want to get banned from Discord. So now let's go to the second question. Do you promise that you won't break rules again in Discord? So this means that do you promise that you won't break any rules again in Discord? So yes is the 100% answer obviously inside here. So let's read why you should be unbanned. So I should be unbanned because I did not read the rules in the server, because like nobody does. Okay, so this is, we understand that not everyone may read the rules, but they are in the place to ensure the safety and enjoyment of all members in the community. So ignorance of the rule does not exempt individuals from following them. So now let's go and read the second one. What does it say? It says because I am not 8. So they understand that A's can play a role in understanding and following rules. So it's important to emphasize that their community guidelines apply to all members regardless of A's. So if your A's is not actually the what you have set in your Discord, then you should definitely write a email to the Discord. So there is also additional information as an optional is written there. So let's see what are their responses. The two responses are no and no, I am not. So additional information does not consist of lots of information here. So that is it, guys. If you found this video entertaining, then please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.